transitioning to electric aircraft faces big hurdles, mainly due to battery technology limitations. Today's batteries can't match the energy density of aviation fuel, making it hard for electric planes to fly as far without adding significant weight. This challenge is critical, especially for long-haul flights where extra battery weight could limit performance and cargo capacity. Additionally, airports would need major upgrades for electric charging stations, and the longer charging times compared to quick fueling could delay flights. Electric motors are quieter and cleaner, which is great for short trips and city hops, but we're still waiting for breakthroughs in battery efficiency and quick charging to make electric planes viable for longer distances.